Hello, so I ordered the face brightening kit and the hair growth kit from the Tribe Concepts, and let me quickly unbox it for you. Okay, so first we'll open the face brightening kit. Okay, so it comes with the ever so gorgeous Kumkumadi Thailum, and of course there's one cleanser which did not come with a tin because I did not opt for that option, and the tin was out of stock as well. So yeah, it came neatly packed in this one, and then there is, oh my god. Okay, I'm so sorry about the background noise. I can't do anything about it. There is a shadi going on. And second is the hair growth kit. Very eco-friendly packaging. Really like it. Sustainable, no wastage, no plastic cuttings, nothing. Okay, so this is the hair growth kit. It came with a root strengthening and conditioning hair mask, and the 90-day miracle oil, and it's quite big. I'll just compare the sizes. And there's one more. Okay, this is the cleanser. All right, again they had the option of steel tin, but maybe they were out of stock. And there's another card for me. Yes, I'll be your Valentine. Thank you. And it actually delivered on Valentine's Day. I mean, a gift to yourself. Amazing. Okay, before I move ahead, I need to talk about the sustainability and the kind of packaging. I mean, there's no plastic whatsoever. Even the tape, I mean, the minutest of the detail, the tape they've used is the micropore tape, which you use on skin to, for dressing and all of that. And amazing. I mean, this came intact in this cardboard packaging. Again, this is the oil, which is the miracle 90 days oil. It has sesame, bringraj, hibiscus and amla. Again, the oil comes with a pump. Very convenient packaging. Of course, this has to be plastic. There's no other way. This is glass. I mean, they have made sure that, of course you can't give a glass cap. But then the bottle is glass, and that's amazing. If you're wondering what is this product doing here, it's just for the size comparison. This is a 120 ml bottle and this is a 200 ml bottle. Just wanted to show that how what's the size. This is my first time trying out their products, and I just saw a few of the YouTubers trying the Kumkumadi Thailum actually. But then when I went on the website, I read few reviews and I thought, why not? My hair needs some kind of organic stuff now. It's been chemically treated, and a lot of products that I've used are chemical based. So again, the cleanser, of course, the size is bigger than the conditioner. So this is 100 grams and this is 250 grams, and this is 200 ml, like I said. So this is a mix of these stuff, and this is a mix of this stuff. So I will read it out. This is soapberry, shikakai, fenugreek and hibiscus, and this is licorice, bringraj, hibiscus leaf and flower. So I'll just tell you the price of it as well. It came in a combo and I got a Valentine's Day. Then we come to the next product or next kit. That's the face brightening kit, which has this cleanser, which has 12 organic ingredients, and I'm sure it would have been messy if they had mentioned it here. Maybe they've mentioned it somewhere. So I'll read it out for you. And of course we have the Kumkumadi Thailum, which is for brightening, anti-pigmentation and anti-aging, with saffron, haridra and manjishta. So this is the smallest size of this product, the 22 ml one, and this is the 30 ml size. Of course, this is a little thicker, but then almost standing at the same height. So just will remove it. I just wanted to give a size comparison. So this is about all the products I got, and I'm really happy with the packaging, the way it looks. The reviews were very promising. I hope I get the best results out of them. And if you want any review, you can always let me know. I can do a little review as well. So yeah, I forgot to mention this. This came as a kit, but then you can always buy these products individually. Even the Kumkumadi Thailum and the face brightening daily cleanser is available individually, but then I went for the entire package. So yeah, I'll put the price of the kits and the price of individual if possible, and the link to the website in the description.